Hello students, exercise 7.3 question number 5. Question is median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. This one we know from class 9. Medians of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A 4, -6, B 3, -2 and C 5, 2. You have to prove this. Okay, start now. Solution. First you draw one triangle ABC. A, B, C. A point is 4, -6, B point is 3, -2 and C point is 5, 2 and this point is D. Let AD be the median, AD be the median of triangle ABC. Therefore, D is the midpoint of BC. This is the midpoint of BC. Let the coordinate of D be x, y. That means this D point is x, y. Now we can find the coordinate of D by using midpoint formula. Therefore, coordinate of D equal to, we know the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Here x1 equal to 3 plus 5 by 2. 3 is x1, 5 is x2 by 2. Y1 plus y2 by 2. Y1 is -2, y2 is 2 by 2. Equal to 5 plus 3, 8 by 2, 4 and -2 plus 2 is 0, 0 by 2 that is 0. So, the coordinate of D is 4, 0 and this is the midpoint of BC. Now area of triangle ABD. This is A, this is B, this is D. A point is 4, -6, B point is 3, -2 and D point is 4, 0. So here x1, x2 equal to A point 4, -6 and x1, y1 equal to 4, -6, x2, y2 equal to B point 3, -2 and x3 comma y3 is D point, that is 4 comma 0. Okay, once more. So we have to find the area of triangle ABD. So A is x1 y1, that means x1 comma y1 equal to 4 comma minus 6, x2 comma y2 3 comma minus 2, and x3 comma y3 4 comma 0. So therefore area of triangle ABD equal to, formula is half into x1 1 2 3 we know, y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 1 2 3, then 2 3 1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the area of the triangle formula. Half into x1 into y2 minus y3, that is 1 2 3, then x2 y3 minus y1 2 3 1, then x3 into y1 minus y2. You remember this, then easily we can remember like this way: 1 2 3 2 3 1, then 3 1 2. Clear? Now putting the value, half x1 value is, x1 is 4, y2 is minus 2, minus y3 is 0, plus x2 is 3, y3 is 0, minus y1 is minus 6, plus x3 is 4, and y1 is minus 6, and y2 is minus 2 equal to half 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8, plus minus plus 6, 3 into 6 18, plus minus 6 minus plus 2, minus 6 plus 2 minus 4. So 4 into minus 4 minus 16 equal to half into minus 8 plus 18, that is plus 10, minus 16 equal to half into 10 minus 16, that is minus 6. So 6 by 2, that is 3, equal to minus 3. But we know area cannot be negative. So the required area is, therefore area of triangle ABD equal to 3 square unit. Within bracket you can write, since area cannot be negative. Area is always positive. Okay. Now second triangle, area of triangle ACD. ACD means this triangle. This is ACD, this is A, this is C, this is D. A means 4 comma minus 6, C means 5 comma 2, and D means ACD, D is 4 comma 0. That means A point is x1 y1. You can write here, this is x1, this is equal to x1 comma y1. C point is x2 comma y2, and this point is D 4 comma 0 x3 comma y3. These 3 points. Now area, use same formula. Therefore, area of triangle ACD is equal to half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This, putting the values of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, we get, so x1 equal to 4, y2 equal to y2 2, y3 0, plus x2 equal to, x2 is 5, y3 is 0, y1 minus 6, plus x3 is 4, y1 is minus 6, minus y2 is 2, so this is equal to half into 4 into 2 8, minus plus 6, 5 into 6 30, here minus 6 minus 2 minus 8, 4 into minus 8 minus 32 equal to half into 38 minus 32, 8 plus 30 38, so equal to half into 38 minus 32, that is 6, half into 6 by 2, that is 3 square unit, so see, first triangle area of ABD equal to 3 and area of ACD also 3, so both the areas are same answer. Therefore, area of triangle ABD equal to area of triangle ACD equal to 3 square unit. Both are same answer. So the question is verify, that means we have to prove this ABC whose vertices are given. So one triangle, median of a triangle, divides it into two triangles of equal areas. So we got two triangles of equal areas, so hence proved. So here we proved this median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Because AD is a median, so AD median divides two triangles ABD and ACD and both areas are same. Hence proved. Thank you.